Today we are going to discuss about bulk properties of matter, and in that first comes elasticity. So if I say what is elastic body, what are elastic body? Elastic body or body, the body is a body that returns to its original shape and size after removing deforming force is called elastic body. Means a body that returns to its original shape and size after removing deforming force is called elastic body. Now we have elasticity. Elasticity is property by virtue of which there is change in shape and size on applying deforming force and return to its original position on removing deforming force and return to its original position on removing deforming force, or and reforming force act to bring in original position. So property by virtue of which there is a change in shape and size on applying deforming force and return to its original position on removing deforming force, and reforming force act to bring in original position. Called elasticity. Fine. Then there are two So when we have stress. Stress means stress is force acting per unit area. Stress is force per unit area, and so stress is equal to force upon area. Force is equal to Newton and area is meter square, so it becomes Newton per meter square or Newton meter की power -2. Now we have stress के बाद strain. Strain is ratio of change in dimension and original dimension. Change in dimension, ratio of change in dimension and original dimension. So strain is equal to delta L. You can write change in dimension upon initial dimension. Right. So we can say delta L upon L or delta A upon A or delta B upon V. So this is what we have: elastic body, elasticity, stress and strain. Now Hooke's law Hooke's law states that extension or change in dimension dimensions or strain is directly proportional to load, directly proportional to load, bracket में we can say stress, stress attached, stress attached. So stress is directly proportional to strain. Stress is directly proportional to strain, or we can say stress upon strain is equal to constant. This constant is known as modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity, or coefficient of elasticity. So as I told you, stress is equal to force per unit area. So Newton upon मीटर स्क्वायर, मतलब किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकेंड स्क्वायर अपॉन मीटर स्क्वायर. So we can say किलोग्राम मीटर की पावर -1 सेकेंड की पावर -2. So dimensional formula is equal to ml की पावर 1 t की पावर -2. This is we have dimensional formula of stress. Stress is equal to ml1 t की पावर -2. This is we have about Hooke's law and dimensional formula of stress. Thank you.